A young man named Jose Escalante pleads for a second chance to enlist in the military and leave his past behind. Despite probation violations for marijuana use, he reveals the Army is willing to accept him if he removes his tattoos and gets the court's approval. The judge, intrigued, proposes a deal: prove your commitment with a signed military contract, and the state may release you early. Will Jose seize this lifeline? Watch as justice and redemption collide in this gripping hearing.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Afternoon. We're dressing appropriately.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, this is the latest supplemental report, and I have an update from that report. That report was basically alerting the court that Mr. Escalante was coming out positive on some UAs.
Mm-hmm.
Since the latest report, the last 2 UAs have been negative, and the TAP was completed, recommended intensive outpatient treatment.
Mm-hmm.
The amended conditions were assigned for intensive outpatient treatment, so we're just waiting for him to be enrolled in that.
Oh, excuse me. They said on the 19th I go.
Okay.
The 19th I go for
All right. So here's the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
When you're on probation, you cannot use marijuana. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There are limited circumstances where you're allowed to use marijuana, but you'll need a prescription and all of that. Do you understand?
And that's what I wanted to ask. I was going to get the prescription, but then I talked to my probation officer because I had been going to the Army, for the enlistment to go get enlisted. Mm-hmm. And they told me to accept me. The only thing that I have to do is to get let go by y'all or have a pardon by you. They said they can't. They said I talked to them about my tattoos. They gave me a pamphlet for the tattoo removal. I already got that set up, but I wanted to come talk to you first to see if there's any way possible I can be able to be enlisted to them. I didn't want to go, but my probation officer said that this would be the perfect time to be able to talk to you.
Oh, well, talk to me. So the military, you're saying the military will accept you?
Yes, ma'am. I went to the Marines, I went to the Navy, and I went to the Army. And both the Navy and the Marines said that they couldn't accept me because of my background and then my tattoos. And I told them I'll get them all removed. And they said, well, we got to talk to you first. And I went to the Army, and all of them told me that I will help you, but we just can't stand in the courtroom with you because some law that passed or something like that. But they said they're all for me. I just got to get let go by y'all. They gave me a pamphlet for the tattoo removal. They said they do it for free. My probation officer, she gave me a pamphlet. She said that they do it for free and everything like that.
So when are the tattoos going to be removed?
When? As soon as you give me the permission to do it. I already started doing like lightening in it because I tattoo myself, and there's this tattoo thing. It's called ink tone, skin toning. So I started removing some of them, getting lighter, but I'm gonna go through the tattoo removal, but I wanted to go through you first.
Oh, all right. So can I see the state on this case?
Yes, sir.
So he has this, he's on deferred, I think,
And then
for this offense. And so he's saying the military will accept him, but they want the tattoos removed and this case taken care of. So here's my question for the state. So if he were to remove his tattoos, which they're demanding that he do, and if we have proof that he's actually signed up to go into the military, would you all consider releasing him for probation? But he'll have to have a signed contract with the military. It won't be a wing and a prayer from us saying, okay, we're going to remove you.
No, absolutely.
Judge, what is the last name on this?
Oh, it's Escalante, Jose Escalante. So what I can tell you, if the state has no objections, what will end up happening is you will get the tattoos removed. You will go to the military. They can zoom in. You will sign on the dotted line for the military. And if the state has no objections, you'll be done with this case and you'll be in the military.
Thank you. That would be a blessing.
Yeah. But the state has to agree, which I think perhaps if you're signed up and you're actually in the military, because we've had this happen before, where they sign the contract on that end and it's signed, because once you sign on the dotted line in the military, you're in the military, and then we'll take care of this.
Is there any way possible I could take them a paper showing exactly what you just told them?
Yeah, what ends up happening is we've had them zoom in before. You can ask Miss Ferguson. They will zoom in. I will talk to them.
Oh, like it automatically goes to the Army telling them that?
Yeah, if you're a recruiter.
Awesome.
Yes. They will zoom in
Thank you.
and then I will speak to them.
Awesome. Thank you.
I have a couple of questions.
Yes.
Okay, so are you working currently?
Yes, I'm working. I just got this temp job. I've been working a lot of temp jobs because really I'm self-employed. I do tattoos, but my probation officer told me I mandatory to get a job. So they just hired me at Redondo Precast. When I go enlist, that's gonna be the first things to do all the way to the wrist bone and to the collar. Or when I salute, I have my uniform on. They told me
Are they wearing have like a prior felony?
questions or no excuses. Why I couldn't do it. I opened the whole book to them. And I told them from the beginning of my first charge ever to now. And they said, well, we'll accept it. We don't got no problem with that. And we'll go to bat for you. We just can't go up to the courtroom and speak for you or be by the side of you or give you a letter or nothing like that. You have to be done with the judge, talk to the judge first, and then go. And then come. And I know.
So what we did for the last person is the recruiter, they zoomed in.
That I was on.
Yeah.
No,
So
I'm not making any promises. I'm keeping an open mind and consider it at the time that he's,
there.
yes, after the tattoos are removed and we can have his enlistment officer appear. I will certainly keep a very open mind to early termination at that time.
All right. So, and what I can tell you is I'm not going to grant early termination unless the contract has been signed with them. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Judge.
All right. Keep up the good work. And I guess we'll see tattoos gone.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, have a good day.
All right. You too.